One of the fastest ways an auto repair shop can increase revenue with AI is by fixing missed calls. Every missed call is a potential lost customer, and in this industry, that often means someone needing help right now. AI missed call text back tools automatically send a friendly text the moment a call is missed, letting the customer know the shop is busy but ready to help. That simple follow-up can save jobs that would otherwise go to a competitor. Instead of losing opportunities after hours, during lunch, or while your team is assisting other customers, AI keeps the conversation alive. It creates a better customer experience and gives your shop more chances to book inspections, diagnostics, repairs, and follow-up services. For local businesses, speed matters, and AI helps you respond instantly without adding more pressure to your staff. America's Best Shops helps repair shops implement these kinds of systems, so missed calls become more appointments, more revenue, and fewer lost opportunities.